friends, recently we just sold the laser machine to our customers, and today I'm in the laser machine factory and we are going to show you how to use the machine. Let's have a see. Firstly, you just connect the plug, and here will be the main switch. We just open, and they have 4 buttons. We just press the open. This is for the computer. When you receive the machine, you just open the wooden case, and there will be the body for the machine. And for these parts, you just fix with 4 screws. And another one, you need to fix the monitor with another 4 screws with this hanging. And this one is the laser head. And you can see there will be the button. You must open this button, okay? And then you will see 3 spotlights. And for the important things, you have to make these 2 spotlights into 1 light by using this handle to make these 2 spotlights into 1 light. Now you can fix the laser point. So now we put the toner cartridge to the machine, and you will see they still have 3 lights. That's because different products and the height is different, so we need to adjust again for the spotlight to make it these 2 lights into 1 light. And finally, it will be only 2 spotlights on the products. Now we just open the file for the file which you want to print. For example, I want to print with this file. I open it. When we send you the printing file, you just open it and do not setting any other thermometer, okay? You just open it and then fix the position, and there is a step that I want to remind you. If you want to make sure the position is the right position that you want to printing, you can do like this way. We can just press the light, and you can see here. And right now you can see just 1 spot, right? That means this position is the right position that you are printing the pattern here. If you press the light and you see 2 spots there on the product, you will have to adjust again to make spotlights showing only 1 spotlight here. That means it's the correct one you can printing right now. So if you already fixed the position, then we can start to print. We just press the mark. Okay. So this is the final pattern that we print. And if you want to print one of them, like for example, if you want to print the master, you just select the master and then select this one, mark. And the first step, you also need to light to fix the position, which position you want to print the pattern, and then stop and start mark for laser. If you open the computer and found this is the Chinese version, here is the step to change the English language. start and press this control panel and choose the language. Select the second one, and here select the third one and change here to English. Now is the English version. For the computer, you can just using by your steps.